looks weird. That looks bad. Does it? No, that actually looks fine. Anyways, hi. So I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible. My hair's messed up, but that's fine. Yesterday, fun fact, I ended up seeing Sonic. By the way, definitely a movie you don't want to see sober. Just putting that out there. Yesterday, went to see Sonic with my friends. We went to Target after the movie. My friend ended up buying a movie, and I ended up buying this. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. This, it's not in focus. Give me a second. And now I'm dark. Map of the Soul 7. Bought the album. $23. It was worth every single penny. So today, we'll be doing an unboxing as quick as I can because as of right now, it is currently 9:21 on a Sunday and I have to go to school in the morning. I was about to use my teeth, but then I remembered my cup of pens is right there, so I'll mess it up. There we go. Oh yeah, I also got version 4. I forgot to mention that. Sweepstakes code 7 has a new album smell. Holy shit. So before I open this, I would just like to say that 1, this is a thick bitch. This album is so big. It is bigger than my head. And I have a big head. It's like so much bigger than my head, and I put it next to my actual Seasons Greetings album. It's about the same size as my Seasons Greetings album, which is nuts. Like, give me a second. This is my Seasons Greetings from Astro. And then, this is an episode 7. Like, that's a big album. Like, jeez. Let's open this. First things first. Beautiful. I just saw the photo card. I didn't see who I got though, but I don't want to see. I want to wait. I want to wait for that. Beauty. Beautiful. Amazing. Glorious. Talented. Remarkable boys. That I love very much. This poster. You have the notes. This thing comes with notes? What the fuck? I forgot about the notes. Oh my god, the little coloring sheet. I wasn't expecting it to be that tiny though. I thought it was like an actual coloring book or something. I don't know. These are the lyrics for like the songs and everything like that. I'm really sorry that this is like so like bleh, but I'm like trying to get this hurry up because like I gotta go to bed soon and I gotta get in the shower and everything, so I get ready for school. Also, photo book. Oh shit, it's like in an envelope. There's a little 7 sticker on it. I don't want to like mess that up, so you can just slide it out though. So cool. There we go. The one thing that I like about this album is the fact that like it's eco-friendly, and like the photo book, it's like posters, so you get more posters. It's so cool. Look at this. Look at my boys. Look at that. It's so cool. It kind of looks like a comic book. Look. Look at them. And it smells good too. I don't know why. Look at my boys. Look at them. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. And him. And him. They're so cute. Like, yes. King. Stickers. Really, really cute. This was one card. What's this? I have no idea what that is, but whatever. A postcard. All their little names on the back. So cute. Alright, photo card time. I gotta hurry up. Photo card. Pretty sure it's that upside down. I don't know if it's upside down. It don't know if it's upside down or not. I never know if it's upside down. Okay, it's not upside down. You wanna know what's funny? This is like the first official Jungkook photo card I've ever gotten. It's the first Jungkook photo card I have. It's the first Jungkook photo card that I have. I'm sorry that this video was like blah blah blah. I just really needed to film this like today because I've been very busy lately, and like, you know, just I really wanted to make a video. So there we go. I can obviously start making more videos because I have a light now, and I got the mic, I got a tripod, and everything like that. So I don't know. Hopefully I do start making more videos because I do miss making videos. I want to get back into making videos, and like I missed this. Like I missed talking to a camera alone in my room. Sounds bad, but it's the truth. I will be making more videos in future. What exactly I'm going to be making, no idea. Mostly like maybe fashion, probably more K-pop videos or K-pop related videos, I don't know. But I've been really into fashion lately. I've really been into, you know, commentary videos, stuff like that. So I might be making those in the future. Who knows? We'll see where it takes us. That is it for this video. I have to go right now, but thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Twitter, my Instagram, and my Snapchat. And yeah, that's it. Alright, I love you guys, and I will see you again really soon. Bye. Bye. You can hear my brother in the bathroom. Alright, bye.